Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making, can you guess what we are making? We are making crunchy fried shrimps. This recipe gives crispy shrimps on the outside and juicy on the inside. It's simple, easy and lekker and you will definitely love it. Let's do it. So we'll begin by taking out our shrimps, and I'm using frozen shrimps today. Of course, you can go ahead to use fresh ones if that is what you have available. For this recipe, it's always best to use large shrimps as it helps keeps it juicy on the inside. So of course, we need our shrimps, we need some panko breadcrumbs, we need sriracha sauce or any dip of your choice. We also need oil to fry it, eggs, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, and flour. All ingredients are listed in the description box below. Our shrimp has already been deveined and we'll be peeling the shells off it, leaving only the tail behind. After peeling our shrimps, we'll wash it and pat it dry with a kitchen tissue, and then we'll pour over this 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and about half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure we massage the shrimps very well with the seasoning and then set it aside. In another bowl, we'll pour in our eggs, add some salt to taste and then whisk it. Next, we'll be pouring in our panko breadcrumbs into a bowl and then pour also our flour into another bowl. Next, we'll be lightly coating our marinated shrimp in our flour and then dip it into the egg mixture. We'll then coat it with some panko breadcrumbs. And that is it. You actually do not need to spend much time doing this. And in about 10 minutes, you should be done with about 20 to 30 pieces of shrimps. It's very easy. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and kindly turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. So we are done coating our shrimps with the flour, egg mixture and panko breadcrumbs. We'll then proceed to fry this. So in a frying pan, we'll be pouring in some oil, and once that is hot enough, place our shrimps into it. After a couple of minutes, we'll be flipping it over. And once our shrimps turns golden brown, we'll be taking it out of the frying pan and place it on a kitchen tissue to soak up the excess oil. And that is all we need to do. There we have it, another simple, easy and lekker recipe. This shrimps is a show-stopping appetizer at any event. Your guest will love it. So that's our sriracha sauce. You can also use cocktail sauce if that is what you have available. It goes very well with shrimps. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, comment and share. Until I come your way again, it's bye!